Alright guys, we're about to unbox my new ITL, which is a fancy key cutting machine, a really overpriced CNC, something like $11,000. I'm getting one in order to replace, well not replace, but upgrade and update, because our 30-year-old one here has cut tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of keys, and while she still works, it's time to upgrade a little bit and have more than just one laying around, because if that goes down, we're in trouble. We do thousands of keys, you know, off that thing. So I've upgraded and got a new one. Dad and I tried getting a Tiger Shark 2, so any of you in the industry or know or are wondering, I say I would never spend money on a Tiger Shark 2 again. That was the most disappointing $10,000 we ever spent. I spent years paying for that mistake. That thing couldn't even cut through a 9-cut, straight out of the box, brand new. If you can't even cut a key to its highest depths, what good are you to me? So we went back to the old standard trusty ITL that we've known for years. Of course, we're opening it up with our key pocket knife. What kind of locksmith would I be if I wasn't rocking a pocket knife that looks like a key? I know, small neuroticness. Friend gave it to me, I liked it. This side up, I guess I could read the instructions. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's open it from the top. My UPS guy didn't seem to care to read the instructions either. No shade, my UPS guy is pretty awesome. I didn't move myself out of the view here. I did. There you go, get you back in view. A very straight cut. There we go. That was a little more effective. Oh, so pretty. Upgraded the colors. Well packaged. Put the knife away here. Inside our new Intralock. It's like $11,000 in that box, guys. It's crazy, even to me. I said no more debt after I got me a dad out. The first thing I do is borrow money to go in debt to replace things and upgrade things. What is that? Oh, our inserts. Nice insert box. 9700. Packed all in down there nice and neat. I think we got a few more inserts this time. 2M3, 3. Ooh, nice upgrade. We'll pull them out. Our old one had a 1A, a 1B, 2 and a 3. So we got one or two more extra. Those are for putting the spacers of the keys right and getting your keys in right. The infamous user manual, instructions. I don't know that we'll need them very often. We've been using another one for 25 plus years, but that's a lot smaller than it used to be. Oh, okay. There's all the rest of our cuts. That's just apparently their fast ones they think we'll use. All neat, all good stuff. The ever important warranty. What do we got in here? I'm not sure. Let's see extra parts. Feels handle-ish. Power cord. And cover plate. Not sure what the cover plate's for. That's an interesting one. Not sure what the extra cover plate's for. Probably something to do with the battery cover. We did send it with a CW90MC wheel on there. See if I can get the damn tripod off the cords here. I'm gonna go upside down in a second here, but I just want to try and show you that they did ship it with a cutting wheel. As much heavy as awkward, no grip point. There we go. She's a heavy one. I'm also a skinny little guy, but there she goes, guys. Brand new ITL, which hopefully I won't break. Trying to pick it up, good grief. Guys, there's a hole. Damn tripod. God damn. Knocking everything over. There she sits, guys. Brand new fancy fire engine red ITL. Videos of it working coming shortly. Have a good one. That's all I got. I ain't making it run. It's already late.